G'day guys, going to do a unboxing and review this morning of a Certa 4800 PSI pressure washer, petrol pressure washer, gasoline petrol washer. Bought through a company called Kogan in Australia, delivered remote area to where we are up in the Northern Territory, and hope you enjoy it. Cheers. So well packaged, arrived in good condition. It's got carrying handles on it. It weighs 32 kilos. Looks like it's a knockoff Honda 4-stroke motor. Like most things, doesn't come with oil in it, so that's something to be aware of. Don't start them up before you put oil in them. One of the things that annoys me about these Chinese products that are brought in by various different companies to Australia and of course other nations, they don't provide you with any manuals anymore on running, servicing, etc. the motors. They give you a little warranty information card that says download the user manual here. The biggest problem with that is, apart from the fact that nowhere does it tell you what grade oil to fill it with, a lot of people won't actually go looking for the manual until something goes wrong, which could be 12, 18 months, 2 years down the track into its life. And often these manuals aren't supported after a certain amount of time. Once a new product or a new replacement line comes along, they get rid of the old ones and they put the new ones in. So one thing I recommend, that if they do have these online manuals, go to that website straight away, download it and print it out and put it somewhere safe, just like we used to do with all mowers, etc. And so that you've got the user manual in hard copy form there to go. Like I said, nowhere on it does it tell me what grade oil to use in it, so I'll have to go and check the online manual and get that information, and hopefully I've got something here. So make sure you get some SAE 30. It does say 10W40 or 10W30 you can use as well. Easy to fill. Fill point here, and took about half a litre. Plug in your hose, turn on your water pressure, purge, make sure that you've got hose pressure coming through. Power switch to on. I've already started it, so I don't need choke. So the verdict on the Certa 4300, 4500 PSI, yeah, questionable whether or not it's that powerful. Still a lot better than your average little electric pressure washers. It's Chinese made motor. They're pretty good nowadays. Keep the oil changes up to them. They seem to be pretty good. It's reasonably well made. The bit that I don't like is this floppy bit at the top with just the push buttons, but I guess that makes it smaller to compact it down if you're moving it anyway. Easy to start. Time will tell whether or not it's a quality bit of kit, but it was less than $200 Australian, plus nearly $100 delivery because we're a remote locality. But for $300, a bit less than $300, it's still a cheap way to go. Something I didn't mention before, it does have this unit to be able to put into a bucket and use. It's got a pickup there, so it does actually draw water through the pressure pump. Doesn't have to have mains pressure to it. That's quite handy for when you don't have mains pressure available. Can I recommend it? For the price? Definitely. For pretty much the same price as a cheap little electric one, stack more pressure, far more usable in remote areas where you don't have electricity, and also if you don't have mains water pressure. Is it quality? It's Chinese. They make things to a cost, and they also make things as throwaway items. If it lasts me a couple of years at $200 odd, it's pretty good value. If it breaks next week and I use it as a home handyman type level, not real good value. I guess time will tell. Probably do a bit of a review on it down the track and let you know how it's going. But so far, can I recommend the Certa pressure washer from Kogan? Yes, I can. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you got something out of it, and make sure you like and subscribe to my videos. Share them if you think somebody else would be interested in knowing about this item, or if they're thinking about purchasing it. And thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, and see you next time. Cheers.